Hi all, today I'll be giving you a code rundown. So the first few lines, I'm just importing a few libraries to use. And over here, vision model and text model. So these are just model keys I have imported from the .env file. And one's for model and one's for text. And as you can see here, here's just the symptom dictionary that I'm using. And over here, these few functions. So these are where the images are resized and embedded as base64. So I can pass them to the model without needing to upload them elsewhere. And as you can see here, here's my symptom agent. And I'm using the tool DuckDuckGo for the link and source. And the instructions are here. And it's quite specific to give a more specific answer. So here I'm just resetting the symptom, and here just start a new symptom analysis and return 5 questions. And here it just makes sure the question's actually answered, and if it's not answered it will return please answer a question. And here generate diagnosis, so here it uses all the symptom questions and it generates the answer for you. And here's you use a JSON file. And session state just shows that it's actually on. So, and here is my food agent. So over here, I am just I'm using the vision model. So here, I'm just using the vision model to detect food in the image given by the user. And the instructions are quite specific, so I can get a specific output again. And here's a calorie agent. So what this does is that it uses the detail given by this vision model and the text model and gives you the answer. So use DuckDuckGo for more information, and here's the instructions. They're quite specific to get a more specific output. So detect food description. So this one is just to show, this one just shows if the image is actually put and if any food can be detected. If there's no food that can be detected, then it just outputs no food detected. Then here just estimate calories. Here it just estimates the amount of calories and it gives it how we should return the file. So here is just for testing, just to make sure the file actually works. And yep, let's just move on to the Flask file now. So here we're just importing all the functions, and here are all the libraries as well. And import Folium. Folium is just basically the map you see in the clinic thing. So here's a navbar CSS, and it's quite long. This is just to make it specific, such as color, gradient, size, and all that stuff is here. So here's just a navbar CSS. So what this does is that over here, when the actual section of the navbar is clicked, such as calorie AI, it will actually show the calorie AI feature. So this just means that this function helps. So just say if I didn't have this function and I press calorie AI, it would still show the same page. So what this function does is that it can actually open the feature for you when you click it. So here's a calories page. Here's a UI explains. It shows all the UI such as size, width, how the text is formatted. Here's a symptom page UI. Similar thing here. And here's a map page UI. So all of this code here is just for the map. Here's a JavaScript code for the map. And what it does is that it creates the map for you. So that's pretty much it with the code. Thank you.